Hi, I'm Justin Powell with Allen Roofing. A lot of times when you're doing inspections on roofs, you'll have one side of the house that's worse than the other. For instance, on this side of this peak is definitely needing some repair. When you look at the other side, it doesn't look too bad at all. It probably has another year or two longevity compared to that weathered side. These are things we like to look for when we're doing a roof inspection. You can see where the fiber is starting to come through on the shingle. This is definitely a stage where we want to start thinking about replacement. We're happy to come out anytime and do roof inspections. One thing we like to look for is the typical areas that have problems are your plumbing boots and ridges that tend to crack. But we're happy to come out and inspect all those things and recommend what we think is going to be best for you. And we're not here to sell you on a new roof. We're here to help get you through whatever you need to before you are ready for a new roof. But we're happy to just look at everything over, do small repairs if needed, and just get you through till you're ready for that new roof.